This is a story of how two souls found each other and choose to spend the rest of their life together.
If everything I dreamt of was true.
This is Fy, a talented woman known as an illustrator. And this guy is Maharo. The day started with the traditional ceremony, surrounded by family, values, and traditions deeply rooted in Malagasy culture. What could have been a very formal moment quickly turned into something more joyful. After this heartfelt beginning, they moved on to the church, where they chose to strengthen their love in a quieter, more intimate way. Standing before the altar, their exchanged glances said everything: trust, commitment, and the shared thought that this adventure was about to get very real. When the rings were placed and the doors closed, they officially became husband and wife, with a collective sense of relief that said, yes, we did it. Ah, isn't it so cute? Let's live together this adventure they named Ho Iray.
So, come on, let's make this moon shine all day. Let's make this world do everything you say. It's so easy and so wonderful to feel this way, to feel this way.
Ifampizara, ifampibapireo alailonao.
Itao anatrehan'Andriamanitra sy ny fiangonana, izaho Maharo Fy arivo Maharo manaiky anao Maharo Fy kolokoloina ho vadiko manaraka ny fomba fanambadiana kristianina. Ho tianao aho sy hanajanao, hamelona anao ny inona manjoantsika ary hijanona aminao irery mandra-piavy ny fiainana mandrakizay. Ny herin'Andriamanitra no iankinako hatanterahako an'izany rehetra izany.
Navokatry ny fo.
Fy arivo Maharo, raisy ty peratra ty fahatsiarovana sy famantarana fa izao efa nampiakarinao vadinao.
Mandraiky izay.
This wedding was never about impressing or following a perfect formula. It was about being real, about celebrating love with kindness, humor, and sincerity. And by simply being themselves, they created a day full of joy, strong energy, unforgettable memories, and a promise that feels as genuine as the love they share.
Mandrake izay